Hi guys! For my presentation, I wanted to talk about sustainable food storage. So I wanted to talk about sustainable storage solutions that you can use for your food, such as using bees wrap instead of plastic wrap, glass containers instead of plastic Tupperware, and silicone storage bags instead of Ziploc bags. I'm going to start with some comparisons between each product and their cost and durability. Bees wrap is a product that you can use rather than using traditional plastic wrap to keep your food fresh in an environmentally friendly way. So a set of 3 10 by 11 wraps costs $18 from the Bees Wrap website. Each wrap is good for about 365 days with proper care. Proper care would include carefully washing each wrap after use in cool water with soap and letting it dry naturally. Each bees wrap seals using the heat of your hands to seal each layer of the wrap together. Then you can wrap it with twine and it holds the seal even after cooling. In comparison, Reynolds plastic wrap for one roll of 250 square feet is about $3.99. Plastic wrap is one-time use, and being that it's delicate, it tears easily, unlike bees wrap. Also with plastic wrap, the seal is not always tight and it doesn't always keep your food as fresh as bees wrap might. My next comparison is between glass containers and plastic containers. On Amazon, I found an 18-piece set of glass Pyrex containers for $40.99. The pros about glass containers are that they don't wear easily, they can be heated safely in the microwave, they're easy to clean, and glass is also recyclable if you decide to get rid of your containers at any time. In comparison, I found an 18-piece set of plastic Tupperware containers on Amazon for $25.99. The issues with plastic containers are that plastic wears, it stains, it's hard to keep clean, and it should not be heated in the microwave. Because it's a porous surface, when plastic gets scratched or when it's heated multiple times, bacteria can grow and chemicals from the plastic can leach into your food. Also, the plastic containers that we use for our food are not always easily recyclable, so they end up in landfills. My last comparison is between silicone storage bags and plastic Ziploc bags. I found silicone storage bags on Amazon, a set of 4, which are 33.8 ounces, so about a quart, and a set of 4 of those bags cost $12.99. These bags are reusable, they're easy to clean, they can safely be heated in the microwave, they can be used in the freezer, and it prevents you from ending up contributing lots of plastic bags to landfills that cannot be recycled. Plastic Ziploc bags, on the other hand, for a box of 80 quart-sized bags, it costs about $7.33. These bags are single-use, they're not safe in the microwave because the chemicals from the plastic can leach into your food or whatever is in the bag when you do microwave it, and they're also difficult to recycle. I did some research and found that these Ziploc bags, some of them can be recycled if you take them to the grocery store and put them with the shopping bags that are to be recycled, but because of the materials used to make them, they can be really difficult to recycle, and a lot of them do end up in landfills. The environmental impact of these plastic storage containers, wraps, and bags are big. So I decided to research this because every day for work I pack my lunch. When I pack my lunch, I've found that I go through a lot of plastic materials. So for this example, I'm going based off what I use for each day. Assuming you wrap a sandwich, use 2 plastic Ziploc bags and 2 plastic Tupperware containers each day. One person, by switching over to more sustainable products, could save 2 rolls of plastic wrap, 9 boxes of Ziploc bags, and about 8 plastic containers per year, assuming you replace those plastic containers about every 3 months as they wear out. Now, on a larger scale, I looked at Winona State. Winona State has approximately 8,000 students. Assuming each student goes through a similar amount of each of these products every day, by everyone switching over to a more sustainable product, we could save 16,000 rolls of plastic wrap, 72,000 boxes of Ziplocs, and 64,000 plastic food containers. That's hundreds of thousands of products being saved from landfills. The social implications of switching over to more sustainable products are actually not that huge, in my opinion. I think the initial cost of switching over might turn some people off. However, it does save you more money in the long run if you don't have to keep repurchasing plastic wrap and Ziploc bags and plastic Tupperware containers. I would say it's generally an easy switch to make because you don't have to switch over all at once. If you run out of plastic wrap, instead of repurchasing that next roll, you could buy bees wrap instead. Or the next time you decide it's time to get rid of those plastic Tupperware containers, if they're starting to wear out, go to Target and check the clearance aisle for some glass containers. So these switches can be made little by little. Also, I found that if you're in an area where you don't find these sustainable solutions in the stores near you, like somewhere in Winona where you might have to go to the co-op to find them, or you might not even find them there, you can find them online. Amazon is a great resource to research and find sustainable products for a good price. These are a list of all the sources I used for this project. Thank you.